Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. In this video, I'll be talking about other passive income streams online, including a lot of affiliate links or companies that you could potentially work with. So before I get started, I just want to thank you all so much for all of the support. We are very close to being monetized. We're about 2,000 watch hours away, so I greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first program that I am an affiliate for is the Passive Income Accelerator program. So you do actually have to buy this program in order to be an affiliate for it. But if you are an affiliate, you get 25% commission. And honestly, this program is incredible. I am a current affiliate, but I think this is great. So if you did buy the program, I highly recommend checking that out. And she has this in the bonus vault with all the information there, and it's free to become an affiliate. So it's definitely something worth looking into. Another program that I'm part of is Gumroad. You can create and sell things like PDFs or I'm not really sure what else actually you sell on Gumroad. There probably are things that like pictures or doodle sheets maybe. I'm not entirely sure, so don't take my word for it, but I sell PDFs on Gumroad and you can just start selling. It's free to get started. So if you work in KDP and you have certain interiors that you own, you could sell them here or something like that. But Gumroad is another great website to start. Next is buymeacoffee.com. So I actually found this from the YouTube channel Project Rich Mom. She has a great channel, so feel free to check her out as well. But you can just set up a profile here and people can buy you a coffee, which really means they're donating money to you, things like that. There's tons of people on here, so this is another way to create passive income. I do have an account on here already. Another program would be Helium 10. If you work with KDP, you might already have Helium 10. And if you do or you don't, I don't think you actually have to own Helium 10 to be an affiliate, but you should at least know the program and make sure what you're giving people is going to be beneficial. But you can get commissions from Helium 10 and it's free to become a affiliate for them. So that is another program. And Canva, which is probably one of the most popular programs to use for Amazon KDP. They have their own affiliate program as well. So if you have the pro version of Canva, you can definitely use this, share your link with people, and you can be getting income if people sign up using your affiliate link. And then lastly, what I'm currently using is the Amazon influencer program. So I have my microphone, for example, in my bio. And if you click on that link, then I would get a small commission because I'm part of this program. So pretty much you can share products and things that you use on Amazon with your followers, subscribers, whatever program or website that you use. And if they buy from your link, then you actually get a commission off of it. So these are the current programs I use for my affiliate income. So whenever I show you my affiliate income at the end of the month, it's usually a combination of all of these combined. So these are currently what I use. There are tons of other programs out there, but definitely find what works well with your niche. And I try to only advertise or tell people to look into something if I think it's actually going to benefit them. So figure out what you want your brand to be and figure out if what you're promoting is actually going to be helpful. That's something I just do myself because I feel that I can't promote something that I don't think is helpful. I don't want to scam people or anything like that. So I really try to only promote things I think will actually be beneficial. So I hope this was helpful and I hope it gave you some ideas. If you haven't done any sort of affiliates yet, this is definitely going to benefit you more if you use KDP because a lot of these programs are related to KDP. But not all of them have to be. So I hope this was helpful. I know it was a very short video, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. And if you have other programs that you're an affiliate for that you think I should look into, I would love to hear them. So thank you so much for watching and listening. And I hope you have a great day.